Come to the bed. Why are you sitting there?
Madam, I never see alert.
But I've sent you the money.
I never see alert. See am. If I see alert, I go climb bed. Money for hand, back for ground.
Oh boy.
If you look my face well, you will see, say, I dey sweat.
Check your phone. Check your phone.
You never enter.
Shut up your mouth.
I never spelled it.
Check your phone. Check your phone.
You never enter. So, you dey hurry me. I never say alert, you dey hurry me. If I begin the verse now, I'm going to say, Ashewo to the get pepper body. I don't see your type.
God help me now that day.
The Lord has done it fine.
Okay, don't come. I beg, you can't do fast. I don't get time.
Survival mode! Cover for the win!
You get it?
Ashewo. Babes, what's up? How far, babes? What's up now? Hi.
Madam, take am easy now.
Very well. You want to see crazy.
It is in a play.
I want to go find food chop. Oh, you go chop.
If you buy for me now, I could chop.
Okay, I come.
Thank you.
Walked in this party and these girls looking at me. Skinny jeans on.
What's in the happen here now?
Come on, relax. Calm down. Our friend not follow you talk.
Nobody tell me anything.
You don't follow our reason. I say one package with you now. Normal level.
What do you mean by that?
Sorry, I know the package that kind of thing. I beg. Now who carry me call now they follow package.
Alpha, you calm down.
Okay.
You don't tell and say we'll have something to join the money we'll give you tomorrow, yeah? See, now one just do.
Just one. No problem.
Eh? Since where Ashewo begin they call the customer. I beg, come on your hand. In fact, come they go.
Sorry.
What for you?
Madam, why you dey short my money now? How much you dey give me?
Not be waiting we settle, not be I pay you.
Which can't talk me down. Your friends will do me. Who go pay? They say they'll give money, give me now.
My friends do you? They don't tell me say they do you. Go meet them, make you collect your money for their hand. Now the one when I do now I pay for. And as they come out, no thief anything, no.
Thunder fire you.
Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
These people no like you. You're supposed to know them well though.
If not be overdo, we're going to eventually put you for trouble.
Now wow. They don't knock me also free.